Welcome to our review of the top 5 best digital caliper brands available on Amazon. We've done the research and ranked them from 1 to 5 based on their quality, features, and customer feedback. The first is the Mitutoyo brand. Mitutoyo remains the gold standard in precision measurement tools. Their digital calipers consistently receive high ratings on Amazon for their excellent build quality and accurate readings. One of their best sellers is the Mitutoyo 500-196-30AOS digital caliper, which features a large and easy-to-read LCD display and advanced measurement options. The second is the iGaging brand. iGaging steals the runner-up spot with a mix of affordability and reliability. The iGaging IP54EZ Cal digital caliper consistently stands out among Amazon customers. This user-friendly caliper offers a large display and a precise measurement range of 0 to 6 inches, and comes with a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. The third, Vinca brand. Vinca earns a well-deserved reputation for performance, durability, and cost balance. Their DCLA0605 series digital calipers stand out due to their 0 to 6 inches measuring range, easy-to-read display, and stainless steel construction. Amazon customers love this high-quality caliper for general-purpose use in workshops and labs. The fourth, Fowler brand. Fowler digital calipers earn a solid reputation for quality and precision on Amazon. Notably, Fowler's 54101-1502 calipers checks all the right boxes: accuracy, durability, and easy-to-read display. The device even stores multiple readings, making it suitable for both professional and personal use. The fifth is the General Tools brand. General Tools wraps up our list with a budget-friendly option. Their carbon fiber digital calipers are perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. Known for its lightweight design, large display screen, and fractional measuring capabilities, General Tools offers options like the 147 digital fractional caliper for any reliable measurement experience. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide will help you find the tool perfect. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more top reviews like this one.